When I bought this R1, I didn't like the Yoshimura slip-on. It was just too bulky, too ugly. I wanted something sleeker, meaner, more aggressive looking, so I made these. So I took off the Yoshimura slip-on, found these baffles. I cut those baffles off so that I can make my own slip-on without the baffles interfering. And I started with these adapters. I picked these up at AutoZone, and they're just the right fit to slide onto the end of the pipes there. I cleaned them up for welding, and then test fit them once again. And like I said, it was a really good fit on the existing pipes. So then I cut these 4 tubes, all the same length, and I used a piece of painter's tape to mark a straight line. And then my cutoff wheel, I took that and then cut along each side to cut a strip out of just 2 of the pipes. So I left 2 of them whole and 2 of them have the strip cut out of them. And then I just cleaned up my cuts, deburred them, and then welded them together. So that's a cut piece welded to a full piece that wasn't cut. And then came up with this. I test fit it. I made those mounting brackets and welded those mounting brackets on, and I cut those angles. But I didn't like the way that they angled up. The openings angled upward. So I recut them here so that the openings would angle to the outside. And then I painted them after I decided I was happy with them. That's just a cool view looking down through them. Obviously this is going to be loud, and my bike doesn't have a catalytic converter either, so it's basically straight piped. But I just wanted this cleaner look. I just like this look like the Toce exhaust, and I like how it comes to a point and angles out to the side. Simple, aggressive R1 exhaust. Thanks for watching.